Just sit, please.
Okay, we don't even have an Asian hibachi chef. Perfect.
Whoa, hashtag
It's
racist.
not racist, it's false advertising. Is that racist? Alright. Ooh, sushi. I love Cape Cod rolls, so.
Honey, it's hibachi.
Okay, maybe I want sushi as an appetizer, David. I'll have the filet entree with the lobster tail. Thank
Oh,
you.
oh, watch out, guys. Big spender. Big spender over
more
here.
than you.
I hear that all the time. Sir, I'll have your finest rice and broth, please. Not now. Woo! Hey, watch your shirt.
I want a drink. I don't want to watch the show. Okay, here.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a Sapporo.
I think I'm gonna have the geisha.
Ew, seems girly.
It is, and I like it. Excuse me, sir. I will have the geisha, and she will have the Sapporo. And that comes with a souvenir glass, right?
How many free glasses do you need, David?
Do you know when the Super Bowl party's gonna happen?
Oh my god.
Oh, somebody call the fire department.
David, this was supposed to be our date night.
Connie, you love this place.
We've never spent time together.
Honey, what about that? What about the vacation?
Oh, the 311 room.
Yeah, it's a music resort? What? Amazing!
Okay,
Oh,
you know
no,
what? Maybe you should work at Staples with your brother. You make more money.
I don't need this shit.
Alright. You know what? Just walk away like you did when you dropped out of Syracuse and had to start Stony Brook late, okay?
I went to Stony Brook.
Shut up! Well, it all makes sense. Now I know why your ex-fiancé killed himself. Bye!
Oh, happy birthday!